Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram Instant View feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and take the Instant View feature, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open a link in Telegram. So tap on any web link or shared chat group or tap on any web link shared in chats, groups, or channel, and then it will simply go ahead and Instant View is going to load up and show you the exact link, which is going to be and what happens is when you tap on it, it simply goes ahead and pops up from the Instant View, but keep in mind only if the website supports Instant View. How you can go ahead and know it's a Instant View is that there is going to be a little lighting icon. So what you can do is simply go ahead and use smart controls for a better reading experience if you want to, like clean reading, mobile friendly, secure, super fast, and so on and so forth. You can simply click on open in browser if you need to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries,